Instalacio of a 4-meter 2-box truck top-mounted air conditioner. Accompany you through a cool summer. 1. Remove the sunroof. 2. Skylight opening. Make a square opening of 25 by 34 centimeters around the skylight. Keep the steps on both sides when cutting. 3. Stick the sponge tape. Stick to circles of sponge tape around the skylight. 4. Install air conditioners. Align the air conditioner with the skylight and place it properly. Fix the pull bar with screws. Connect the interior panel wiring. Fix the interior panels with screws. Installation completed. The wind speed for rapid cooling is very high.